Today we are riding up to the Champlain Lookout in Gatineau Park to watch the sunset. On our way back through town, we were stopping here just for a quick break. And this is where we met two travelers riding across the country.
That's taxes in, shipped to your door.
270s?
Yeah,
oh,
Kenda
cool.
K270. It's the same as my front.
Yeah.
K270. I think I got K70.
This is Travis. That's Chris. They're traveling from Newfoundland to Kelowna, British Columbia.
Yoo-hoo!
Okay, have a good, safe trip, guys.
Thanks so much.
Nice meeting you.
We ended up asking them if they wanted an escort through the beautiful city of Ottawa, so we showed them through town and got them to the West Highway going towards Toronto. And then we rode with them to Carleton Place where they stopped for gas before we turned around and headed home, and they continued on down the road. We wish Chris and Travis the safe journey across the country, and today they should probably be in Mississauga, Ontario, so hopefully it's going well for them. And if we ever end up in British Columbia or Newfoundland, maybe we'll meet up with them again.
Or you keep the old
With a new filter.
Yeah.
But you can do, like we change it all the time.